hey, you know what? You ain't got to do nothing, I feel. Hey, you know, ain't like I'm still 5 years old, you know? Ain't like I'm gonna be sitting up every night asking my mom, when's daddy coming home, you know? Who needs him? Hey, he wasn't there to teach me how to shoot my first basket, but I learned, didn't I? Hey, I got pretty damn good at it too, didn't I, Uncle Phil? Got through my first day without him, right? I learned how to drive, I learned how to shave, I learned how to fight without him. I had 14 great birthdays without him. He never even sent me a damn card.
I be walking in the rain, tears coming down my face. I be feeling all this pain. I be stressing all the time. How you say you love me, but you really don't love me. I've been there for you all the fucking time. I got your name tatted on my fucking wrist. How you say I cheated on you? I've been there for you all the fucking time. Why you gotta do this to me? I don't wanna feel this love no more. So fuck love, fuck this broken heart. I be tearing down the street, tears coming down my face. I don't wanna feel in pain no more. I been up walking in the rain, I been up popping these perks, I been in drinking this lean, I been up fuck with this bitch, I been in getting this money, I wanna fuck with this bitch, I been in drown with the whip, I don't wanna feel this love, fuck love. I don't need that shit no more, cause you really broke my heart again. How you say you love me? I be walking in the rain, tears coming down my fucking face. I don't wanna feel this pain no more, no more, no more, no more. Why you gotta do this to me? I don't wanna feel this pain. I don't wanna feel this pain no more. You really did me dirty.